Hello everybody, this is Gene with Design Theory, and I am here with a quick little video to show you how to get into your Google Analytics dashboard to be able to find where your tracking info is in order for you to install that code snippet onto your website to start tracking your website analytics using Google Analytics. And so to do that, you're going to want to log into Google Analytics, and you can just do a quick Google search to be able to do so. And once you do, you'll be into where your dashboard is. Now, once you get into the dashboard, and if you're like us, you may have several other different tracking properties for other websites, but assuming that you just have the one, you'll be able to get into this main area, and you'll be at the home screen. You'll want to click down to where it says admin, and it'll bring you to where we are at the screen here. Once here, again, you have a drop down where you can choose other accounts if you're assigned to other accounts or have access to other accounts, or other properties more than just if you have more than one website on your analytics account. For this example, we're going to use an older website just to be able to grab the tracking info. And so if you scroll down here to where it says tracking info underneath the properties column, and you're going to click on where it says tracking code. Now once you click on that, it brings you to the screen here where it'll show you what your tracking ID is. And in some cases, for getting your analytics, some cases you only need your tracking ID. So depending on what kind of website you're using, maybe it's Squarespace, maybe it's WordPress, you may just be able to input this or copy and paste this code into the site directly or into a plugin, and then it'll authenticate you that way. If not, you may have to grab the whole code snippet, which is going to be here at the bottom, and you'll just click into here and it should highlight everything, and you're just going to copy that code snippet out from here and then install it into your website. Again, if you're using WordPress, you may have an option in your WordPress theme for the code snippet in a specific section in your theme customization area, or you may be using a plugin to be able to put that code into that plugin for, let's say, for example, headers and footers. Nonetheless, once you install that plugin, or once you install that code, usually you want to give it about an hour or so for it to start working. Usually I would say give it about a day, and then come back to your analytics account to be able to start seeing some of the metrics and data that Google has been tracking on your website. So thanks for watching. Again, this is Gene with Design Theory, and look forward to more videos soon.